Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make use of KS chicken from Kisong to make deep fried chicken especially for my daughter. Okay, and why I use KS chicken is mainly because they are found without antibiotics and without any growth hormone. This is the part where will make me very comfortable eating KS chicken. If you want to know where to buy, I'll put the information in the video description. Okay, let's get on to it. So first of all, of course, you have to defrost it. Take out the fish from defrost it and then wash the chicken. After that, we just marinate, deep fry. Right, so first of all, you wash the chicken and then I prefer to cut it into separate the drummet and also the wing so that it's easier for us to deep fry at home, yeah, because we won't put so much oil inside the wok. So let's marinate it with a little bit of salt. A little bit of black pepper. Okay. A bit of garlic powder, ginger powder. Ooh, a bit of garlic powder, ginger powder, and also shallot or onion powder. This is ginger powder. Some fish sauce. And some egg. Okay, and mix them all up. Smells nice. Okay, once you have mixed them all up, the next thing you can do is you can keep it in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours at least. This you can cover this with a cling wrap, yeah. Let it marinate inside the fridge for 1 to 2 hours, and take it out at least half an hour before you want to deep fry. There's one more step. All right. Okay, this is after 2 hours marinating inside the fridge. I just take it out. So what you need to do here is prepare some water, right? And then this is the fried chicken powder. Any KFC chicken powder you can find from the market can be used. Or if not, you can just use cornstarch or potato starch. Also can. Yeah. So what you do now is do this. Take out the chicken, one piece. Roll it over the powder, then quickly go through the water, take it out, and roll again. Yeah, this is one way of the many chefs will actually do to create the wavy, what we call wavy effects. Let me do this again. Roll it over on the flour. Put inside the water, take it out very fast. And then roll it again. Later you're going to see you have beautiful wavy crust, yeah, on the chicken. So I'm going to finish with the rest. Okay, prepare some oil here. We want to use a medium heated temperature to deep fry our chicken until fully cooked. How do you know it's medium temperature? Medium temperature is somewhere around 140 to 150 degree. That is when you put in a chopstick inside the oil, you are going to see some bubble, and you don't see any smoke. The moment you start seeing some smoke, that is too hot, 180 degrees Celsius already. Okay, so okay, now put in chicken. I think I forgot to mention that this pack of chicken is approximately 500 grams. Okay, everything in. It should take less than 10 minutes to deep fry everything. Yeah, we'll come back shortly. I remember many people have this wrong perception, that thinking that when you use a lot of oil to deep fry a thing, that ingredient or that dish that come out is going to be very oily. No, that is the wrong perception. You need to learn how to deep fry your meat or your fish correctly. Then if you do it correctly, then it will not absorb any oil. Yeah, or Chinese say the dish actually the meat actually start eating oil. So one of the more important thing is using the right temperature, especially at the time of when you are dishing out. When you take out the chicken from the hot oil, the oil must be in higher temperature. You cannot lower it down. If the moment right before you take it out, it is actually on the lower heat, then there is a high possibility that your chicken will start absorbing oil. Okay, and then of course after you take out also, you can have use this oil absorbing paper. Yeah, put it onto the oil absorbing paper for about 10-20 seconds. It will also help to absorb the excessive oil. Now another question that many people always ask Appa is, Appa, after you use so much oil, what do you do with the leftover oil? Do you keep it or do you throw away? Now, if you are someone who is 100% health conscious people, you can choose to throw away. Yeah. But what Appa normally do is, I will try to see after the deep frying process, I will see if the oil is very messy or still very clear. If it's already very messy, then I will just throw the oil. If it's still very clear, then I will sieve it and put it and keep it inside a stainless steel container like this. Okay, with a cap. Right? And I will reuse it for one last time. As a matter of fact, the oil I'm using right now is the recycled oil. That probably, I think my mother-in-law used it a day before. This is how I do it. But like I said, if you are worried, then don't throw it after use, no problem. Oh, look at the beautiful golden brown color. I'm using medium high heat right now to deep fry. And this is after about 4 minutes. Like I mentioned, everything will definitely be fully cooked within 10 minutes. How do you know whether it's cooked or not? Well, one of the things is you can take a look at the bubble. The bubble will get lesser and lesser. If you have any specific dish that you want Appa to make it into video for you, let me know. Comment in the section below, yeah? And all the ingredients, actually starting early this year, all the ingredient list that I use and where to get them, what brand is it, blah blah blah, all the equipment I use is already inside the video description. You all can check it out. Yeah, for those interested, you can actually all the links is inside the video description. Yeah. All right, this is after about 7 minutes. Some of it may have already ready. Oh. Look at the beautiful crust. I can feel the crunchiness. Oh, look at the beautiful crust. See? And it is not too thick. I never like the crust to be too thick. Okay, I can start taking out one by one. Put it inside, put on top of the oil absorbing paper. Like I said, do not reduce heat at this moment. This is the most important moment actually. Beautiful golden brown. Ooh, imagine you're having a party and you cook this for the kids. Oh, actually, even the adults will love it. Look at how beautiful it is. Look at how beautiful the golden brown color. Off the fire. Check it out. Beautiful golden brown. Okay, so here's our deep fried chicken today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook fan page, you click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Super crunchy. Bye bye.